Why did you feel like ass? Why? Like, actually retarded. Why have I put it? Where did it open? There it is. So this is 15-minute buy side. Well, it was like 15-minute. It could be like hourly now, I guess. Hourly buy side. This actually feels so much better than trading on a fucking phone, man. Trading on a phone is so ass. Got quite a small opening gap for today. Only 30 points. It's like a regular opening gap for once. But we do have this fucking NWOG to go into that we haven't touched a single bit yet. I mean, we dug into it slightly, but need to go into like 50 minutes to see it. Don't know what we've done here though, so I don't know if we're gonna break into it or not. It's actually huge. 300-point NWOG. CE opening gap, and we have some sell side on the CE. What is this? I need to change what now? Oh, I'm again like a YouTube error. What is this? You need to change video resolution. Is the stream okay? I'm not too sure. It's telling me to change resolution because like I want a new monitor. But if it looks good, then maybe stressed about it, I guess. Okay, stream's fine, cool. YouTube's being gay then. Tell me to change shit when it doesn't need changing. Any news today? FMC in the PM. Bodies did respect the top quarterly of the opening gap. So we could see price end up to the buy side now. I did want to see it take Z though. So we'll see how it plays out in the 5-minute gap. Suppose we don't need this fib of the hourly because it's basically CE of the gap. Try and take an inversion entry for the buy side now. It seems to want to go through it. That's not a proper close over of it, but okay, I think I missed the entry. I was expecting like more of a push through and then retrace. We'll see if it goes the sea of the wick. No, potentially. Respecting CE. I don't think it's like strong enough though. Wanted to see more of a push through the gap, and then like an inversion, rather than just going like slightly above and then back into it straight away. So yeah, we have sell side here on the CE. The open gap. It's not the cleanest day, not gonna lie, it's not the cleanest day. It looks like it wants to go for the buy side, but the entry's just not there. If you respect CE of this wick and it's in the gap, then we can, yeah, we can. Okay, I don't want to see break the bullet, but very weary entry. I should be entering. It's respected the top of the opening gap. It's respecting this inversion. I don't know why I didn't enter, but it's fine. I'm cool just letting it ride the buy side. I didn't really like it. Because there's a wider respects to 1 minute, but obviously it's not going to. It's fine, we can just let it send to buy side. Yeah, I shouldn't really like how it broke the bottom of this wick. Like, of course it's still in the inversion, but I didn't really like it because I wanted to respect it. They showed me respect of CE, and it didn't exactly. That's fine. Is this our only buy side target? get rid of the bottom bits. Then we have just CE and the top quarter. Okay. Fine. See where price wants to dig into this gap. I think it's gonna go for the CE of the weekly gap. But I'm not touching it today, I don't think. Unless it does break through this entire gap and goes for C of the opening gap, that's kind of a trade I'll take, but if it's going to keep on rallying, then I'll just leave it. I think we're entering price for some sort of move at 3 o'clock now. Okay, that's nice. Showing a willingness to want to go down. This could be looking. I don't know, still got a 5-minute gap. Targeting C of the opening gap's kind of risky. Also, we have this 5-minute gap to worry about now. Okay. It's pretty nice. See if we go back into the 1 minute. Then we can target C of the opening gap. I think I'll just enter in this gap and then allow for a retrace into the 1 minute. So it's gonna have to be a smaller entry. Oop. If I'm going to get a late entry, but we'll go changing contracts, but we'll. Do I expect it to nuke? Is the question. How far do I expect it to go? Hmm. If we break this, which is CE, we're technically breaking the swing low. So I would expect it to go further. Do I expect it to close over like everything though? Let's go for that. We'll obviously take our partial at CE. Oh, if market's going to allow me to. I suppose I should keep that there, right? I don't know, we could see a large expansion through like everything here. I suppose we could. It's very unlikely it goes all the way down there. Put our stop and profit, obviously. Clean up the chart a bit. Some minor sell side here. Should see it move fast, yeah, through it. That's the upper quartile of the 15-minute gap. So now that's the, yeah, that's the lower of, I'm actually getting confused by my fibs. It's fine, whatever. I think we'll just fully close there. I think it's unlikely that it goes much further. I suppose we'll just trace our stop very close, just in case it does want to send. See if that work. So we don't want to go above that. We'll trace it to there. Bottom of the opening gap. It's traced very close, like this is actually the bottom of a 5-minute gap, so it can like obviously go back into it and then send further, but I'm fine just being stopped out there, because otherwise still a decent catch. Whoa. Alright, and that's pretty much the session done. I'll wait until 10 and see what happens at 10, but you. We can also look at the premium discount of this range. So you'll see, like, in this gap, here's where you're likely to see it to retrace. Let's go gambling. Let's go gambling. These M-Logs just not being touched. It's just like, surely it's sending full-time highs. If it's not going to retrace to like any new week opening gap, it's quite despicable. I chose to respect the lower gap. Fair enough. Da, 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 da. See, if I do a measured move, how far am I expecting this to go? That might be the wrong way. I haven't done a measured move in a long time. -1. Where's -1? Just make -1. -1. I did draw it the wrong way. I believe it's this way. Okay, we have an inversion here now, so it's probably not going to go anywhere. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty much the session. To recap, we took an inversion off of this 1 minute gap after it took buy side. So this is hourly buy side, took it, and then we just waited for the inversion gap, and then took a inversion off of it, off of the 1 minute. Off of like 5 minute. I think it was 5 minute and 1 minute. We had to wait for the 5 minute to also be inversed to show like extreme confidence for the CE. Yeah, and once we did that, we just took the inversion. Pretty simple. I'll probably check at the PM just to see how far this went. Because like if it takes this low, then we could see some pretty mad. I think tomorrow would be pretty insane if it takes this low. Going into the might be targeting the NWOG. But we'll see. That's for tomorrow. But yeah, I'll end stream here. See you.